Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go back to Yahoo Finance's classic view. So first, let me clear one thing, that Yahoo Finance no longer offers a direct option to switch back to the classic view, as they have transitioned to a new interface. However, you can try the following workarounds to restore a similar experience. So first of all, you need to use the My Portfolio page. So the new layout changes mainly affect the stock pages, but the My Portfolio section remains similar to the classic version. So you need to simply just open your Yahoo app, and here you will see your portfolio section. So you need to tap on it, and here you can basically customize your watch list for a similar layout. The second thing that you can do is you can simply switch to the desktop mode. So if you are on a mobile device, open Yahoo Finance in the desktop mode via browser settings, and then you will be able to use that. You can even use the browser extension of the old layout. So you can download old layout for Yahoo from Chrome or Firefox, and you can restore the elements of the old view. You can even try Yahoo with different Yahoo Finance URLs like finance.yahoo.com lookup or finance.yahoo.com portfolios. You can even scroll to the bottom of the Yahoo Finance and click on the feedback option to request the classic view back. If enough users request it, you might get the classic mode back. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.